Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is from 2 weeks there is a continuous downfall. Okay, if you look at the around 4-5 weeks before, we have seen it has already made a half around 245 $2. After that there is a fall. Okay, why there is a fall? See, if you look at the trend, there is a profit booking has come at this level. After that there is a continuous fall. If we go previously and see how the price of gold is moving, whenever it is making a new high, makes a sharp fall. Okay, see, this is the high, we have seen a fall. This is the high, we have seen a fall. Okay, and these levels being tested once, and second, when it is tested for the third time, it probably makes a new high, and that is where we have seen a fall is come. Okay, and now if you look at this particular trend, whenever it is trying to go above a level of 2400 or 2433, then a probability is high that it can make a new high. Okay, probability is higher that overall trend is for the gold is on a higher side, but a weekly wise we'll see if 4-5 weeks we can see there is a fall. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see. Okay, before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, this is the zone where the price is moving for so long. Okay, if the price started going above a level of around 2340, probability is very high that it can go further upside because this level is already being tested. So chances are high it will cross a level of around $2398, and then a probability of crossing 2416 will be there, and then further upside movement towards a level of 2452. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index also, you have to understand dollar index also is playing an important role, okay, to decide the price of gold. Now dollar index is continuously higher side going upside, but we have seen it has already made a half around 106. That is where after that it has come down. So probability will be higher. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see a level of 106 to a level of $106.2, and once started going above that particular zone, chances of crossing a level of 106.3 we can see, and from there it will cross a level of 106.5, which is already being tested. So chances of moving further upside we can see, but if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 105.6, and from there it can move towards a level of $105.2. Okay, $105.2 is already being tested, so chances will be very high it will go further down if the price started going below that level. Okay, and you have to understand, when I meant the dollar index will go higher, then the price of gold will come down, and similarly and vice versa we can see, if the dollar index started going down, we can see the gold price will come up. Okay, now coming back on the gold prices, what we can see. Okay, see, suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability of going towards a level of 2326 will be there, and the once started sustaining above this level, it will cross a level of 2340. If the price started going above this level, probability of sustaining a level of 2366 will be there, which is already being tested here. So chances of going towards a level of 2384 is there. Once the price sustaining of 2384, a probability of crossing a level of 2392 will be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $2416. Okay, if the price moving above that particular zone, we will see it will cross a level of around $2431. Okay, and if that sustain, a probability of crossing 2452 will be there. Okay, and that is the zone where the price is moving for so long. So once started going above this level, a further upside movement we can see. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. If you think that the market will move as per you, no, it will not. So you have to understand that putting your SL is very important. See, because overall trend is on a high. If you look at on a upside, okay, but if we go on a weekly wise chart, there is a zone will be there. Okay, till the time it is not going above 2433. So in order to reduce the uncertainty, you have to put your SL so your capital can be saved, and once you start getting profit, try to trail your profit. Okay, so if you are trailing your profit, your profit will be saved. You can trail by 60, 70 or 80% as per your convenience. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 2300. If started falling below that level, a probability of going towards 2292 will be there. Okay, if the price started falling below 2292, a probability of going towards 2286 will be there, which is already being a weak support. So chances of going towards a level of around 22 50 will be. Again, I repeat, if the price started falling below a level of around 22.86, which is also being a week's support, so chances are it will cross a level of 22 around $81. If the price started falling below that level, then the next support coming at a very low level, we can see it is coming directly at a level of $22.36. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below 22.36, a probability of touching towards a level of 22.18 will be there, and then to a level of 2200. Okay, and once the price started falling below 2200, a probability of touching 2195 we can see, and then a further low we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.